Hi y'all, welcome back to Amber's Diamond Painting. We've got Craftibly, and this is Amber, this is me. Now you can't see me very well, but hey, you guys came to see the canvases, not my face, right? Okay, you guys have probably seen that Craftibly's they revamped everything, and they're even more wonderful than they already were, and they have soft paint and canvases now. Oh, you guys, if you didn't see my last unboxing, yeah, you gotta watch them all because you want to see all the great canvases I got, right? Okay. Okay. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day, afternoon, morning, wherever you're at, wherever you're from. Sorry, I was just concentrating, guys. I'm like, give me this canvas. I have been waiting and waiting and waiting forever, it feels like. You guys, and I can just roll it like this and it just lays flat. Look at that. That is freaking, that is freaking amazing. Do I have 2 sets of drills? How big is this one? I have 2 sets of drills, guys. Oh, and she's a square. Lots of baggies. These are different baggies. There's some that are different. Maybe that's for the littler ones. Maybe they ran out of some baggies. I don't know. But there's the nicer ones and then these ones. I don't mind these ones, guys. At least these are exciting news and stuff, what they have. Like I said, everything, like, their canvas has changed. You guys, I don't have to roll this back. I don't. Like, they're soft canvas. They will be coming back with these already pre-kitted for us. These big old sticker sheets. Look at that. This has 6. They're handcrafted now. This has 60 colors, you guys. 60. What? Updated their toolkits. See? Okay, let's take a look. So I showed you that. Those are big old stickers too. Then you get instructions. One day Craftibly. I'm gonna be an affiliate one day. I know you turned me down, but that's okay. One day I will be an affiliate. So, my video before this. So even with rounds, you still get tweezers. That's cool, Craftibly. Thank you. Not like they don't watch my video, guys. What the heck? Okay. You get a white boat. You get a glue and a little pod thing. You get another plate of wax. You get a purple squishy. I love the purple. It's one of my favorite colors. You get not just a drill pen, you get a sparkly drill pen. You guys know I like my bling. That's one thing. Craftibly, please bring some ABs. I've heard rumors. I hope it's true. You get the stab ya, make you bleed tweezers. Yep. These are non-static though. That's good. So nice toolkit. I love these little pouches too because these are great to have. Store stuff, and they're soft. I like that they're soft. Oops, I closed it. And they're long enough to fit everything. They don't squeeze everything in there. That doesn't need to be poking out. They give you plenty of baggies to kit up. They personally put those baggies in there for you, so you have exact amount. Alright. Let me just show you. Let's show you what I got. I've got Alice in a Van Gogh Nocturne? I don't know. Guys, I don't know how to say that. Sorry. 60 by 80 squared by Jasmine Beckett Griffith. It has the start date, the finish date. This is a sticker. I did get a journal, guys. I showed it in the last one. So I can put that in my journal now, so I know when I do things. Okay, but the 2 packet and the drills, they're even come with the stickers. That's awesome, guys. When you kit it up, you can cut this out, put it on your storage, good to go. Now she's gonna be completely flat now. Oh my god, isn't she pretty? Marshall, no. Just because I sit there and say that does not mean this is about you. Sir, no. Move. 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 Thank you. Look at her. Oh my goodness. Marshall, stop it. Hold on, guys. Okay, I'm back, guys. I've always wanted to do like the Van Gogh type of painting, but I've never just wanted to do just a plain. No, Marshall, you're not being good. Thank you. But she's sitting there like, you know, it's like she's kind of painting herself, you know. She's cute. Alice is cute. Look at her eyes. She kind of looks a little sad. She's gorgeous, you guys. Look at all that. There's like city behind her. Oh, I love it. So you got your schematic on the left side. 60 freaking colors. 60, you guys. 60. Craftibly on top. You got a thumbnail and another schematic. Only thing is I'd suggest to have one on top, one towards the bottom. You know, if people work on easels, or if you have it turned another way and they work not by symbol and stuff like that, like people work differently, you guys, then we get another thumbnail. It has the artist name and whatever that is. Gosh, make me mess up on my words. Isn't she pretty? Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. I love it. Thank you, Craftibly. You're doing amazing. What I do with this sticker, you guys, well, I hope I can do it this one. I did it with the last one because I forgot to put the sticker in there. So I just folded it. Oh, and what else is cool is, I forgot in my last video, they didn't waste this part of the paper. You got blank labels. Isn't that cool? So if something happened to your sticker or whatever, yeah, that's cool. So keep it up, Craftibly. Here, yes, we love it. I love it. And I just put it in here because that way you can just, when you're ready, then you just grab this. You know, you have your stickers and your baggies and everything in here. So that's what I did, because I forgot to put it in the painting, but it fits. And these baggies are cool to use too. They fit a lot. So after you're done, okay, sparkly canvas. It's got scalloped edges, so no fraying. See that sparkle? Yes. Can you guys see it? Come on, light. Hope you guys can see the sparkle. That's sticky, you guys. I barely placed my finger. This is poured glue. I didn't say that last time. It is poured glue. So that's awesome. What is that? This. I love their... I couldn't get Cinderella and Snow White, you guys. I had it in my cart checking out, and then it's like, oh, that item's gone. I was like, oh, but next time. It's all good. Okay, let's flip this over because if we don't, then it won't focus. Last time it didn't want to focus for me. Showing the drills. You guys, this is my first square from Craftibly. The first time I ordered, I just got rounds, but I get kind of nervous for other people's squares, but ooh, look at these pretty colors already. But I trust Craftibly. They have such amazing, I'm not going to try and find the number. Oh, this is one of my favorite colors. Yep. 996. No, that's 995. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, let's look at these drills. Okay, there's little knobbly bits, you guys. They're not going to be all perfect. That's completely normal. But I'm not seeing anything else. There's one. No. They look pretty, you guys. They look good. There's a concaved one. You don't want to use that. There's just a little something in that. Those look good, you guys. Look how beautiful shiny they are, too. Goodness. There's some more. Same color. That must be that bright blue. That's all in there. There's a little tiny bit of trash right there. That's okay. I don't mind. 996. For some reason, I thought 996 was brighter. I'm often not always right, guys. Look how beautiful those are. Okay, you just... Oh, that's just on the bag. You guys, these are gorgeous drills. I'm so happy. They're so sparkly. See, we got some right there that you just wouldn't use that one. It has tabs. The others look good. Oh, it would not be my video if I didn't bump y'all. Right. Okay. There's a concaved one right there. And last time I done Craftibly, you guys. I know I didn't do the big leopard yet or anything, but I need to do. I done one though, and you guys, they give you plenty of drills. So if they just give you a little amount, I bet you don't use that many. That's a pretty pink. So pretty. These drills are awesome. Love it. There's a concaved one. You just gotta make sure with your, just gotta be, oh, that's so pretty. 3765. Such a beautiful color. I love that color. But look at those pretty, how pretty they are. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. They're great. Okay, I know we're going to be living like the dark blue life, 310 life. Maybe not that many 310s. I haven't seen one 310. So maybe it's not. Maybe it's just dark blue. There's some brown. Looking good. Like some hot chocolate. 803. Those look awesome, you guys. 814. Love this color. You will get those little things, guys. That happens. Love it. Some 820. Guys, those are beautiful. They're gorgeous. Lots of dark blue, guys. They're gorgeous drills. I'm excited. 823. This is darker blue. This almost looks black, but it's not. Those look great, guys. We got 2 bags open. Oh, look at this different color. I've never had this. 831. It's like a deep honey mustard. Got lots of those. Those drills look good. That one's a different color. Some browns. Looks good. Little tab right there, I see you, but that's okay. Oh, that's such a pretty color. Like a watermelon. Look how shiny those are. They have so many facets on those. That's a concaved one right there. That's okay. You guys, they're so shiny. I can't wait. I've kind of got my fix on squares though, so it's just been doing squares, so I need to do a round next, definitely. Let me in. What's happening? You guys, that has so many pretty colors. Can you show us how to... Can someone please show me how to fold these like they do? Let's see, just by looking at it. Okay. Kind of wrap them around. Okay. We got some 5200. That is white. We got a little bit of a chocolate in there. So pretty. So I kind of just wrap them around. I could try and practice all day. It wouldn't help me. This pretty color. It's like a... It looks kind of gray, but it's like it got a green bluish kind of hue to it. 310, so 2 bags of 310. We got a little bit of 5200 in there. Or maybe it's that little mint color. Looks white though. Got a little bit of concaved ones, but those look so sparkly and good, you guys. Look at that. Wow, Craftibly. They're coming for that title, y'all. They're not messing around. And gray, dark blue, beige, and gray. Got some gorgeous colors, you guys. That's a pretty, like a army greener. So it's got a green hue to it. Light yellow. Some red. Beautiful blue. So pretty. $38.46. I love this color. So pretty. Oops. Some more gray, caramels, lighter caramel. Look at that blue. I mean, that's not blue, guys. That's yellow. Oh my goodness. That's so pretty. 444. I'm not sure if I've ever had that. Guys, these are gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous. So many drills. Smart gray. Look at that orange. That's beautiful. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh my gosh. That is so pretty. So pretty. Must be your skin color. Gray. Look at these pretty blues. Has like a purple hue. Love it. Okay, let's look at her one more time. Did that go over here, over there? I don't remember. I was trying to keep track of what. I'm going to add ABs, of course. I've got to get some square ones, but isn't she beautiful, you guys? You can just see where all those beautiful colors I just showed you are going to go. Oh my gosh, it's gorgeous. Okay. Alright, so thank you guys so much. I love y'all. Thank you so much for your wonderful words and your comments and your support. It truly means the world to me. I just love y'all, and thank you from me, Mia, and Marshall. We love y'all. Bye, guys.